Hi everyone, we are going to learn how to create a Facebook group today. We will also cover some Facebook group statistics that will pretty much blow your mind and show you the impacts that Facebook groups are making and why you might want to consider it for your marketing. Now, we're actually going to create it from my personal page. What you want to do is log onto your Facebook page. And like I said, I'm actually using my personal account to do that. And once you log in, you want to go to the left here and go to all, where you can see all the tabs. You go to see all here. Now, once you do that, you can see you have your newsfeed, you have your groups, you have your watch, your pages, pretty much all what's listed down here. But here is your groups icon, the one with the 3. So you can actually connect with people who share your interests through your groups here. You could do a group here. You could go to your groups here. And as you can see, you can actually create from here. So you could create a group right from here because it says the big create sign. So once you hit groups there, we'll hit groups actually. It's awesome because you could see the groups that you are in or affiliated with in some sort of way. To the left here, groups you manage, but we want to create a new group. And that's what you see over here, creating a new group. You just have to hit this plus sign. And so what we're going to do is actually do that, create a new group. Okay. So we're going to call this Digital Marketing Pulse, and I will just name it YouTube Family, or no, let's just say Digital Marketing Pulse. You know, we know it's the YouTube family that's going to come here anyway. And so once you do that, you choose your privacy of your group over here. You can make it private. Only members can see who's in this group and what they post, and you can make it public. And I think after you join too, you could still make those changes. Okay, so we're going to just make it only members can see who's in the group and what they post. So let's go over here and just make it private. Okay, hide group visible. Okay, so this is cool. Anyone can find this group and you can hide it. Only members can find this group. And so when it's only members that can find this group, you probably will have to share the link with them to be able to find it. But we're just going to make this visible. It is private, but we'll still make it visible so everybody can. And then you have the opportunity to click here and invite a couple of friends, but it's optional, as you can see. So what have we done again? Went on Facebook page, went to the groups tab to the left, tapped create group, see, and this is it to the left here. As you can see, groups and then create group, and under create group, we created our group name, Digital Marketing Pulse. We chose the privacy, whether to make it public or private, and now it's private and visible. All right, so then you hit create. All right, so once we hit create there, see what we have. Now we can start to do the magic. We have pretty much created our group over here. You have your admin tools to the left. You have your admin assist. You have your member requests, your badge requests, your membership questions to the left, your pending approvals, your scheduled posts, your activity log, your group rules, which are very, very important. So you lay the law, member reported content, moderation alerts, group quality, grow group, community roles. So these are all the admin tools on the left here. And as I click them, because it's pretty much new, there's not much going on here and stuff. So the community chats, you know, your general chat, you get to set it up. Give and get support, you get to set it up. Admin assistant, mood boost. So all these things are like just chats that you could set up. Now, if you go to admin assist, you can approve members, request, decline members, manage people. Over here, manage posts, decline incoming posts if, and you see you could add all these rules here. You know, create your own rules, spam posts, which I really think is cool. Member requests. Nobody is asked to request today, of course, because it's a new rule. All right, membership questions is next. Not here. Ask pending members up to 3 questions when they request to join your group. So you could say, hey, are you going to screw up? No. Are you going to be drinking live? I'm just kidding. So you just, membership questions so that at least they know what's going on. Pending approvals. It shows what you need to approve. No posts to review. Scheduled posts are here so you can create a post, but there's nothing here. Your activity log shows what's happened. So you see we added community chats to the group, change settings so members can suggest community chats for admin. You can see everything that I've done. It shows up there. So you have your group rules. You could create that over there. Member reported content. No member reported content. That's if one of the members reported some content that they are not comfortable with. Your moderation alerts. You can edit your alerts. You can set your alerts so you don't miss things that are important. Your group quality. I think this is pretty cool. It shows that your group has no issues, no violations to show. So your group is in good standing. You grow your group. Allow Facebook to suggest this group, and then your community roles. So you have your admins, which everybody knows, and then your moderators, and you could choose them through there. You can add and remove your admins and all that by just clicking the add button to the right here. Now, also to the bottom, you have your group settings here, and then add features. So you can raise money, product tagging, pray, or allow people to pray and share their faith. That is so cool. These are just really, really cool. Now you go to the insights, your growth, your engagement, admins and moderators, your membership to see how many members you have, your help center, so you can figure out how to do things, join a group, participate, create a group, all that fun stuff. And, there it is. So it's kind of cool when you think about it. Those are the things that actually you could do on the group, and then your community hub. So once you've done that, now that we have that here, you go to your community home, which is here. We can just upload a photo here. I'm going to move this over here so I can choose the right one to upload. And let's see if we do that. That's all you need to do to upload it. Drag to reposition. So Digital Marketing Podcast, we could just do that right there and save changes. So at least if you see this cover photo, you are in the right group. So it's the YouTube Facebook group for the Digital Marketing Pulse podcast. Now, I will just write here, welcome to the group. If you joined from the YouTube video, post YT here. See how that works. If we get anybody, but if not, hey, at least you know how to create a Facebook group. That's really what matters. Okay, welcome to the group. If you joined from the YouTube video, post YT here. Okay, so we're going to post that. And pretty much we have our group now, and we have our first interaction, as you could see. And now anybody could start to interact with us. It shows the moderator. It shows what we just added here. So that's simply how you could do it. Now I'm going to show you the Facebook group statistics. So this is from Sell Courses Online. Okay, so real quick, 1.8 billion people use Facebook groups. That's huge. Number of Facebook group users, 1 billion to 1.8 billion from 2016 to 2022. 400 million people are in groups they find meaningful. 50% of Facebook users are part of 5 or more groups. Isn't that astonishing when you think about it? That is just astonishing. There are tens of millions of Facebook groups. There are 70 million group admins and moderators. 98% of members say they feel a sense of belonging, and that's what's huge about groups, the sense of belonging that you feel. That's what I've noticed. The top 10 Facebook groups have 43 million members. That's just huge. Top groups have an engagement rate of 80%. When you hear this as a marketer or anybody, you're like, what? 9.74% of creators use Facebook groups to build their community. And then Facebook Live achieves 6 times more interactions. Can you think about that? Can you just think about that? 81.8% of users only access Facebook via mobile. 88% of creators using Facebook groups want to switch platforms. Interesting. So at least you get to see, those are kind of like some things that if you're thinking about using Facebook, I would want to consider. So if this content was helpful though, if this video was helpful, please like it. And if you also want to always see content that'll make your life easier, subscribe to our channel. Hope this was helpful again. Take care.